Verbal HR honest review. Watch before using. Most people get hiring software wrong. They assume it's only for large companies or overly complex. The surprising truth about Verbal is that it focuses on skills-based hiring, and you won't believe how it helps employers find the right candidates faster and more fairly. Here's how it works. Verbal allows recruiters to create custom assessments that simulate real job tasks. Candidates are scored automatically based on performance, not resumes, which emphasizes practical ability over credentials. For example, a sales company could design a role-playing scenario where candidates handle customer inquiries. Verbal evaluates responses objectively, highlighting top performers instantly. Most people get this wrong. They assume hiring relies mostly on resumes, but skills-based assessments reduce bias and improve hiring quality. Additional features include automated grading, collaboration tools for hiring teams, and detailed candidate analytics. Users praise time savings, fairness, and the ability to focus on real talent instead of surface-level experience. However, there are considerations. Creating high-quality assessments requires planning, and smaller teams may need time to adapt. Most people assume all HR tools measure the same things. Verbal focuses on actionable skills, not just credentials. In conclusion, Verbal is ideal for companies looking to hire efficiently, reduce bias, and identify candidates with real-world skills that match the job. Subscribe for more honest HR software reviews and hiring tips.